Hey guys, it's Annie from The Californienne, the French and California lifestyle blog. I live here in the Bay Area and I'm doing a partnership with Good Eggs. They are a delivery service for groceries, meal kits, and prepared food that are local to the Bay Area. They said they're gonna send me a box. They sent me this one, but they actually sent two. So one is room temperature, one I can feel is cold. So let's do an unboxing. They're based in Oakland. They're so local that they do same-day delivery as long as you order before 1 p.m. You can also place orders up to 4 days in advance. Ooh, here's like a list of everything that's in here. I want to be surprised, so we'll put that aside for a second, and then we'll make sense of it once it's all out on the table, huh? All right, so this is a little shallot. All their packaging is reusable, recyclable, or compostable. And just like the old school milkman, if you leave your old box, their team will pick it up when they're delivering your next box. So look at this, I got a little squash and it's a meal kit card. So this is for pesto pizza with delicata and ricotta. I guess this is the delicata squash. I actually really love this recipe. It looks very easy but gourmet. I requested a vegetarian box. If you have food sensitivities, they have wonderful options on the website if you're gluten-free, if you don't eat meat, if you're pescatarian, vegetarian, vegan. Ooh, yes. I love Urban Remedy. This is their golden turmeric milk. Honestly, I might have a sip of this right now. Olipop. This one's cherry vanilla, prebiotics, botanicals, and plant fiber. And they're low sugar, so there's only 5 grams of sugar in this whole thing. And it's 10% juice. The can is so cute. It's like old school soda, and kombucha had a baby. Oh, coffee. Equator Coffees. I haven't had anything by them, so I'm excited to try this. I recently started taking these to work, the night shift. Khalifa Farm, coconut cream and almond milk. Love everything by them. Could this be a real California like grocery box without some guac? It's okay, guac, I'm extra too. Saint Benoit French vanilla yogurt from Sonoma, California. They really emulate what you get at a French grocery store. So it normally comes in these little petits pots, which is glass. I love to reuse these. I love to put candles in them. I love to put little like fresh picked flowers in them. Trop mignon, too cute. Pizza crust that uses non-GMO wheat flour. Awesome. Good Eggs pistachio pesto, which looks divine. Parmesan, pistachio, olive oil, basil, garlic, lemon. All the classic players in there. Box number 2. I love that you could order these on the website or on the app, and you don't need a subscription. So if you see a bunch of things that you need, you want, you don't feel like running to the store, especially with the pandemic and everything going on, you can order the box. There's no obligation. You're not tied down to stay with them. Ooh, we got some Primavera tortilla chips to go with our guac. Nana Joe's, handmade in San Francisco, organic gluten-free granola. Pecans, mulberries, and coconut with no sugar. This is gonna be great on that French vanilla yogurt from Saint Benoit. This is cute. I like that it has a little picture and like the signature, and she's like, yeah, that's my real signature, and it literally just looks like a long L. Sorry, that's too good. This is like really wedged in here. Okay, all right, Waterloo. Trying to go on like a detox lately, drinking a lot of sparkling waters, and looking into like mocktail options. Crispy lettuce from Plenty, vertically farmed in San Francisco, California. Looks great. It looks so fresh. Some of the produce is picked in the morning and it's delivered by the afternoon. And I honestly think this could be one of those because there is no like funky brown wet lettuce in here. It's all fresh. Okay, it says on the back, fresh picked daily. Since our farm is located minutes from South San Francisco, we are able to offer just harvested produce every day. This is the future, guys. It's amazing. Ooh, I I can feel a loaf of bread. Rosalind Coastside Loaf, all organic with wheat flour from Pacifica. So that's a little southwest of San Francisco. Love that place. Hit the waves there sometimes. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that beauty. Winding down here, but I think I know what this is. Apricot Summer Jam by Happy Girl Kitchen. These guys are relatively new and they're in Pacific Grove, which is where I actually went to elementary and middle school. They have lots of canned goods. They have a little cafe. One last mystery bag. Fall. What's seasonal produce for fall? Some apples.